Today, let's talk about how to use the verb have. We use have for I, they, and we. We use has for she, he, and it. Now, let's check some examples. What do you have? I have a dog. What do they have? They have a cat. What does he have? He has a mouse. What do they have? They have a sheep, a hen, and 2 chicks. What does she have? She has a purple fish, a brown dog, and a gray cat. Now, let's play a game. Answer the question, look at the picture, and complete the blank. Let's check the answers. They have a hen, a white and black cow, a pink pig, and a brown dog. Good job, kids. Let's continue. What does she have? Let's check the answers. She has an orange fish, a gray cat, a brown dog and mouse, and a green bird. So, don't forget, kids, have for I, they, and we. And has for she, he, and it. Thank you, kids. See you soon. Have a nice day. I love you. Bye bye.